Word provides an easy way to navigate through your document by jumping from place to place. In this quick tip, I show you how you can quickly access this great feature. You can use the Goto function of Word to jump to specific locations within your document. To get an idea of how powerful this can be, just press the F5 key. When you do, Word displays the Find and Replace dialog box, but the Goto tab is the one that's selected. The first thing to note is this section at the left side of the dialog box. There are several different types of document elements listed here, things like page or section or footnote or endnote. Any of these items can be selected as what you want to jump to. Let's say, for example, that you want to jump to, page 53 in your document. All you need to do is make sure that page is chosen at the left side of the dialog box, and then type 53 right here into the box that tells where you want to go. Now, if I were to click on Goto, Word would immediately take me to the start of page 53. Before I click, though, there is something else I need to point out here. You'll note this text right down here that explains a very important feature of this dialog box. It allows me to enter a relative page count in the box. For instance, if I wanted to jump forward 3 pages, all I would have to do is put a +3 in here, and I would move forward 3 pages from the page that I'm currently on. Or I could jump backwards 7 pages by putting in a -7 in here, and it would take me backwards 7 pages within the document. The key here is to select the document element that you want to use in your jumping. You do that at the left side of the dialog box, and then enter either a relative count or an absolute count in the box. The Goto feature is a great way to get to exactly the place that you want to be within your document. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, please click like, then the subscribe button, and finally the bell icon. That way you'll be informed whenever I add a new video to the Word Tips channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.